Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So we're finally dropping back into Battle Farm and we're going to be taking a look at whether this platform is a scam or legit. So keep watching. Okay, and welcome to another video. And remember, if this is your first time visiting my channel and you want to learn more about how to earn cryptocurrency for free, about cloud mining sites, crypto investments and lots of other crypto related stuff, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tag that notification bell so you're alerted to all my latest content as it comes online. Okay, so as you can see, we are here in Battle Farm and we are going to go through what is happening with this site since our last video. But before we get into that, I just want to say I am going to be doing an extra video this week, and that is going to be tomorrow. I'm going to be doing a final roller coin video for the last day of the season, and we're going to be going through accounts and all that kind of stuff, what I'm going to be doing with all my RST, and so check that out, make sure you don't miss it. Okay, so Battle Farm. I know a lot of you have been waiting for this update. I did say I would probably do it at the beginning of the week, but various things have happened. Some things I felt that you guys would prefer to know about rather than this, so that's why it's sort of been done now and not at the very beginning of the week. Also as well, I was waiting for another support email. So as you know, I sent a support email off asking about the error we were receiving, or I was receiving, for Payeer. And I know a lot of you have received similar error messages on Faucet Pay. So anyway, I sent a message off about that. But the other thing I did was I tried to sort of catch them out, but they're a little bit too clever. They probably just cross-referenced the emails that I sent. So what I did was I actually sent a second or third actually support email stating the fact that I was having trouble depositing, and saying that I'd tried a few times and I kept getting an error with depositing from my Faucet Pay account. And I was really hoping they were going to come back to me like really quickly. Oh yes, can let us help you out with this deposit. Because then for me that would have been a definite. That would have been a yes. Clearly all they're interested in is people depositing. They're not actually interested in solving any problems. And that's why I did that. I did try and catch them out, but they never came back with anything. But like I say, obviously I did send it on the same email, and obviously I would have had to put in the same username. So they clearly probably cross-referenced it and realized what I was probably trying to do. And yeah, and unfortunately they didn't come back. But that was just something I tried to really sort of, you know, cement, yes, this is a scam. So basically, since our last video, which was 8 days ago, basically I've been just sort of keep checking online and, you know, obviously hoping that we will get some sort of response to our support emails. A lot has actually changed online. You can see that things are starting to sort of come back more negative now, as opposed to obviously when I looked into it, which was still, you know, 100 something days after they had originally launched. But when I checked, there was a lot of positivity out there. There were some negative reports, but there was a lot of positivity. But now you can see the tides are starting to change as time goes on. As you know, the site is up longer, more and more people use it, therefore more and more people put reviews and stuff like that. And that was what I said in my second video, is for a site that was this young, it was very difficult to find, you know, sort of a real good amount of fours and against. It was pretty much all fours with a few against. Anyway, so I've not checked this for a while. So if we just, all we're interested in is, can we withdraw, right? That is basically all we're interested in. So we've got 3,500. So that would be 35,000. So that'd be $3.50. We've got, obviously we were using Payeer. If you look at my history here, we did a very small, I think it was 9 cents through Payeer. You can see the date just there. Sorry, I don't have my little trail connected, so I hope you can see that okay. Anyway, this is what we're going to try. So we click withdraw. We've got the and we're still getting that same error. We are still getting that same error. So obviously I want to say a massive thank you to all those people that have posted on Discord, you know, saying what their experience is and if they're having errors and that. But like I say, is if we quickly go into Scam Advisor, we type in Battle Farm. I've already done it, but I was just wanted to show you guys. So when I came in here, this was like up here. This red bar was right the way up here. So obviously, like I say, things have definitely started to change the more people that are using this site. And if we go to Trustpilot, although I did say in the second video, I basically do not use this as a gauge to whether a site is legit or it's working okay, because in the past Trustpilot has been known to basically take payment for good reviews. So just don't ever trust this. But I thought I'd just have a quick look, because I did look originally. I always do look, but I don't really use it as a sort of a major gauge. I do look at other things. But if we scroll down, 3 days ago, scam. On the 20th of March, scam. 17th of March, scam. I actually posted the original video on the 5th of March. So the original one, that was on the 5th of March. So March 12th, they're a scam. And then here, February the 22nd is your first good review. Now, something I did come across on Trustpilot as well was I found it was sort of like about a 3-star rating review, and which surprised me, because the way they were talking, you would imagine it would have been a 1 or 2. But what was interesting was the fact that they were basically saying that they thought that a lot of the posts on Trustpilot were dodgy, because the way they described Battle Farm was not at all how the platform worked. Apparently they were saying that a lot of people were referring to it as a really great game, and that the gameplay was really good, and people would put things like that it helped their multitasking and stuff like that, which clearly they are not reviews really connected with this. But they were on the Battle Farm sort of Trustpilot review section, because obviously it's not a game. You know, you don't come in here and spend hours playing, you know, as a character or anything like that. It's like you come in here, you buy some rabbits, and that's it, and then withdraw if you can. So basically, going on what is happening now, going on your feedback through Discord, which again, absolutely brilliant. Really, really appreciate that. And that is the great thing with having a Discord community, is the fact that we can all be in the one place and sort of help compare what, you know, and chat about other programs and stuff like that. And, you know, what do you think of this? What do you think of that? You know, and like I say, your feedback has been absolutely brilliant, and I really appreciate that. But basically, going on what is happening with my account, the fact that we've heard, excuse me, still got the cough. The fact that we've still not heard anything from support, nothing. You guys are saying that you're not really getting any response to your tickets either. There is a new member on our Discord, Prince69, I think your name is, and they did say that their friend did receive a response back from support, but again, that was about a deposit. Apparently they were inquiring about depositing into the program, and support did come back to them. So, you know, Prince69, that was a great bit of information there. But other than that, there doesn't really seem to have been any positivity or any positive responses from support about what the issue we're having. So unfortunately, I'm going to have to label this as scam. And basically, you know, I'm going to obviously put this on my channel, hope other people will see it, and hope other people can avoid it. And all I can say is, once again, I can only apologize absolutely profusely. But I got caught out, and unfortunately, because I got caught out, you guys suffered. So I am very, very sorry. But let's hope we've got a couple of new programs coming in the very near future. And with the introduction of the EZ faucets, any of you guys that did invest into Battle Farm can claim back some of those coins through those programs and hopefully, you know, be back in profit. So I'm going to leave that there. I hope that was helpful and informative. And if you can, please smash that like button. It really, really does support my channel, which then helps me make more content to help you. So take care. Have a great rest of your week, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.